Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete the devices from which you previously logged into your Instagram account. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments at the end of the video. So let us get started with you and open the Instagram app on your device. Then go to your page and then at the top, tap on the three bars to go to Settings and Privacy. And this is where you'll need to go to the very first section, which is the Meta Account Center. And then select the Password and Security section. And here, select where you logged in. Next, you'll need to select your Instagram page. And here you'll be able to see a list of all the devices that you've logged into this particular Instagram account of yours. And as you can see, I have here this is my device that I'm currently on Instagram from, for example. There's also devices that I've logged into Instagram from before. And if you want to delete those devices, you'll need to click right here on this red line here, Delete Devices. Then you'll just have to select all of them, or you can click Select All of them if you have a lot of them. And then click on Exit. So, right away, you'll be logged out of all the devices that you use to connect to this Instagram account. But let me tell you right away that you won't be able to delete the devices from which you are currently on Instagram. This is the simple way, friends, you will be able to delete the devices connected to your Instagram account. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please write your comments, give your likes, and also subscribe to this channel. See you soon.